Hey, to perform the hard reset of your POCO C65, all you have to do is just to go into the settings, and then from here scroll down all the way down, and you will have to go into the additional settings. Now from here scroll down one more time and go into the factory reset. Now I can recommend you to remove your SD card and the SIM card from the phone, because you will also erase data on these two cards. So we can find the SIM tray on the left side. And after that, click to erase all data and tap to factory reset. Now read that description, and after a few seconds you will have to click next button on the right corner. There we go. And now just wait for the 10 seconds one more time and click OK. So let's do this right now. There we go. And now our phone will be turned off, and it will be automatically erase all data, and it will turn on with the first screen setup. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.